Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I know it's been a while since I've done a sit down get ready with me, or like just a sit down talk, like makeup. So anyway, for today's video I will be doing like kind of like a full face using new makeup products. And yeah, so I create this makeup look. It's kind of still fallish vibe. So yeah, make sure to watch the whole video. So anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera just to save some time. You know me, eyebrows are the most boring part of my routine. But anyway, plus I do have a brand new not really brand new, but I do have the NYX eyebrow pencil, but for some reason I couldn't find it, so I just used my ColourPop and my e.l.f. to set my eyebrows. So I've been using this ColourPop brow pencil in the shade black and brown, and I set my brows with this e.l.f. gel, clear brow gel, stuff like that. So yeah, so hey guys, so it's been a while, oh my goodness. And yeah, it's been like a while since I filmed like a sit down video, so I don't know. Okay, so let's just start since my eyebrows is already done. So I do have a lot of, sorry, put it in my shoebox. So I put it like I put all the makeup products that I want to try in this video that is still latest. So let's start with the primer. I do have this CoverFX mattifying primer with acne treatment. I got this one when I think I bought something at Sephora and I got a free, because if you're a Sephora insider or something like that, if you're a member at Sephora, then you get points every time you purchase some products. So yeah, so I'll just put this CoverFX primer. I already, she's kind of like jelly type, transparent jelly. I already moisturized my face using the post shave balm from Nivea. So let me just put these primer. I do have a CoverFX primer as well, but it's in, what's over there? It doesn't smell anything, and this is the first time I'm using it. So let's hope and pray that this will hold my makeup, but I'm not going anywhere anyway since I'm filming this middle of time. Oh my god, it's 2:28 a.m. I'm filming this video. So I'm done with the primer. So right there, I'm done with the primer. It feels tacky, and it really kind of like fill in my pores just a tiny bit. But yeah, okay, let's move on with foundation. And for foundation, I do have a lot of foundation that I want to try, but I've been wanting to try this NYX and Can't Stop Won't Stop. By the way, I used this foundation like twice, and I already have a feeling about this foundation. Yeah, so by the way, I'm gonna be using this Juno and called microfiber velvet sponge. It's right here. I got it at the Juno and Sco Instagram over there, and clicked out the link, and I think it's $6. So it's velvet sponge. I got this because Ate Mimi, if you don't know her, Ate Mimi made me purchase this one, and I was just curious about it because you guys look at that. Excuse for my ratchet nails, but it's like, and I've been like, I can't wait to try it. So yeah, let's try it with this. Let's see, do I want to put? I do have the plate. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put It's micro velvet sponge. Keep saying Junango. And let's see. That is way too yellow for my, and it says that this foundation is full coverage. It has a yellow undertone to it, so I'm hoping. Oh, see, so it's not I like wait a minute. I'm gonna apply the rest of my face first. Okay guys, so this foundation is really not giving any justice. Like the color, it may look like yellowish at the camera, but in person it actually matches my skin. Like I do have a ring light and soft back, so that's why that's very light and it looks so yellowish as I'm looking at the camera. So I mean at the finder. So yeah, and I like the sponge because it's not soaking up my foundation, so that's really good. So for concealer, I will be using this Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I pick up the shade Warm Beige. As of now, the foundation is still sitting pretty good, so I'm gonna put this concealer, and this is gonna be the first time I'm using it. This is the first impression I'm trying. Ooh, I think I'll pick way too dark. So I'm gonna put that right here. Same sponge. The cream, oh my god. I like how it blends the foundation, like the concealer and the foundation together. It's not really giving me like a highlight concealer, because I think I pick up the concealer, it's not way too white, so it's good. And now for oh, I'm gonna, as usual, do this in my nose, and it's very creamy. I actually like it. It's so creamy. And for cream contouring, I will be using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I do have the lighter shade of this, and I like it. It reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, so it's brand new. So, and I pick up the shade C13, so I'm gonna use this kind of like for cream contouring. So just put it right there in my forehead, right here. And also right there in my jaw, and also in the nose part. And I'll just put in this one. But I'm just gonna use the Sigma Angle Kabuki brush F84. So I'm just gonna use that to blend this, and I'm gonna do it upwards. You guys, so see, I'm brushing it powder. Oh no, I do have this Cover FX whatchamacallit, glitter drops in the shade Nova. I got this with my BoxyCharm, as you can see with my haul, huge haul. So I'm gonna use this glitter drops before I set my my foundation and my concealer. So I'm just gonna not put too much, just put like in the safe side in my highlighted face, and just blend that out with this sponge. I have that like glow already. And I'll just put it in the bridge of my nose as well. So pretty much where I highlight my face. So yeah. And after that, I will be using two powders. This one is from Beauty Bakery, the Flour Better Not Bitter Translucent Powder. And also the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder, and it's in the shade yellow. I just not discovering that. So right there, golden. So I think for under my eyes, I'll be using this Kat Von D. And then, oh, it's a hot mess, girl. She just, okay. I was trying to get this plastic one, and she just decided to pop off. Like, why are you gonna do that to me right now? Okay, so I will be setting this one, be using this one to set my under eye. Translucent one to set the rest of my face, and I'm hoping if I peel this plastic, it's not gonna come off. So here we go. So just this one and set my face. I'm doing this trick like reverse contouring like that. So yellow, this is so white. So you can have that snatched and clean face. Ooh. Okay guys, since I'm already done baking, it's about 12. So I'm gonna try to just dust this off so I can start my eye makeup. Okay, so next one is bronzer. I do have this Too Faced bronzer in the shade Chocolate Swell. So right here, I don't know if that's one of my shade, so right there. So I'm gonna be bronzing my face with this one. Let's just use this brush I always use for bronzer. Ooh, that's really nice. It's just, this one is kind of like a travel bronzer because it's way too tiny. Let's move on with my eyes first before I put my highlight. So I do have two palettes right here, which is the Ace Beauty. I don't know how to pronounce it, but got this from a Boxy Charm, so that's how it looks like. It's very nice and very warm. And then I do have this, it's May Ray Ray collaboration with BH Cosmetics, and she came out with this eyeshadow and highlight and contour. So let me just remove this plastic. So anyway, she came up with this bronzer and highlight, I believe. Yeah, so you got 3 different bronzer or contour and then highlight, and then also a, how many, like 15 eyeshadow. So that's how it looks like in a large mirror. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to use both of this palette. So anyway, and I like that, you know, she came with the mirror, so it's gonna be, you know, flip like this and like that. So it's like really good for if you're traveling, and you know, it came with bronzer or like contour and highlight and an eyeshadow, so you can never go wrong. So with the large mirror, so this is really good if you're like, you know, traveling. So anyway, let's start with the I'm gonna start with the eyes. I don't know what look I'm going for, so good luck. And I will be using, I didn't set my eyes because I'm gonna use this concealer, the same concealer that I used earlier. So since I don't have a brand new eye primer, so I'll just use this concealer, kind of like my primer base. I'm using, I don't know, okay, let's start with patchouli right here. I'm gonna use patchouli, and I'm gonna use patchouli and put it all over my crease. Kind of like pack patchouli all over my crease. Angel, wait, no, Spice. I will be using Spice in the spot right here. Spice right there. I'll be using Spice and kind of like use her, also put it all over my crease. Tiffany, which is this one right here. Tiffany, right there. Put Sunset kind of like in the outer V, and blend it together with Spice. This is so pigmented. Grabbing Poppy, yeah, this one right here, this darkest, kind of like a burgundy burnt red, and I will be also putting that in together with Sunset. Yeah, so I'll grab that and use that also in my outer V, just to kind of like more darken more up. And also put Poppy in like right here, like in my inner corner. Beauty palette, I will be using Cinnamon right here. Yeah, right there. I'm using, by the way, the Alamar brush. Also got it from putting her in my lid. Hey guys, as you can see, I already did my other eye, so off camera. Anyway, I just add the mixture of Control Freak out of my outer V and what's her name, Cinnamon. So, and then I put Premier Rose in my lid right here. So, and for my inner corner highlight, I use this shade Angel and Moonlight. So this highlighter right here and then right there. So yeah, and I'm not gonna use the highlight because I do have highlight that I want to try as well. So pretty much this one is actually really good, but I will give you guys a rundown after that, after this video. So okay, let me just put lashes on. I do have lashes right here from, where did I get this? Shop Miss A? I think if this is from Shop Miss A, and then this is the number 40. This is their Lollipop lashes. So I'm gonna give this a try. Right there, it's super cute. It just falls. So right there. I'm gonna put this off camera just cause this is gonna take forever. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I already put my lash on, and oh my god, this lash though, it's super cute and I really like it. So anyway, I'm gonna be putting my mascara just to kind of like my original lash and the fake lash will, you know, combine together, or like, so I will be using this Superhero It Cosmetics Superhero lash, yeah, mascara. So let's see. But anyway, moving on with the blush. I do have this Bella blush from Juvia's Place, and this is the shade Bella right there. So I'm gonna put this blush on. So it's gonna be first time, like I said, this is the first impression, the first time. So ooh. I barely even touch with the pen, and it's already showing up. Like, damn, the pigment though. Can you see that? Wow. Like literally, I'm barely even touching it. Moving on with highlighter. Okay, I do have this Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and right there in the shade number 10 Be My Highlight. So I'm gonna use my Morphe fan brush. So you guys wanna swatch? I'll just so creamy. Okay, let's put this in my cheeks. Setting my face and the brush, so I have that like bomb highlight. So okay, alright, Essence. And this is so that is for the highlight. Wait, for lips, I do have a bunch of lipstick, liquid lipstick that I've been wanting to try. so I don't know what kind since I'm already so anyway, I do have this Bare Minerals in Gen Nude. I might just do a swatch, and I got the Super Stay Matte Ink at Maybelline. This is in the shade Driver, and I also got the Kat Von D liquid lips in the shade Hawk Kind. I also got another Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Amazonian, and I also have this Too Faced Melted Latex in the shade Bite Me. So I don't know which one, but I do have this NYX lip liner in the shade Brown. So for this look, I don't know, so I'm gonna give you guys a swatch first. So this is way too dark. So first is this Too Faced. Give you guys a swatch. Let's see. So this is the swatches. Okay guys, so this the swatches. The first one is the Too Faced. The second one is the Kat Von D Hawk Kind. The third one is the Bare Minerals in the shade wait, what? Oh yeah, the third one is the Bare Minerals, and the fourth one is the Maybelline Amazonian, and the fifth one is the Driver. So that's the swatch. So I don't know which one to choose. So I feel like I want it nude or kind of like glossy. Setting my face with this Morphe since I don't have a brand new setting spray. My favorite spray ever. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you like this look that I created. So yeah, if you want to see more makeup videos of me, since I already have my camera set up and kind of like my studio room, but I am not done yet. So anyway, yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Somewhere there, yeah, like the subscribe and click the bell button just to you'll get notified if I upload a video. So anyway, that is it for today's video, and I really hope that you like this look, because it's almost 4 a.m. and I'm just now done with this makeup. But yeah, I will see you guys soon, and hope you guys have a great day. Bye.